everyone, this is Kartika and you are on my YouTube channel. Welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to talk about a very versatile accessory in fashion, that is the scarf. So the scarves can be worn in so many different ways and they can add a pop of color or they can also add elegance to your outfit. So scarves are not only great to amp up your outfit, but it is a great hair accessory. So in this video, I'm going to teach you 6 different ways to use scarf as your hair accessory. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And now let's just get into the video. So these were the ways you can use the scarf as a hair accessories. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you want more fashion related videos, please subscribe to this channel, and I am forever thankful for whoever subscribed to this channel. Also follow me on Instagram for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time in a next video. Bye bye.